Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making a mini carrot cake. First, crack an egg in a bowl, then add in 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar followed by 1/4 cup of packed dark brown sugar. Then add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I used canola oil. You could use any other vegetable oil, just make sure it has no flavor. Now whisk it until it's all smooth and combined. Now sift half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger. I also added 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you're using regular table salt, just add in a pinch. Be careful and don't overmix it. Just switch to a spatula and fold the batter. Now add in half a cup of grated carrots. Fold the carrots in the batter using the spatula and just do it until it's all incorporated fairly evenly. Now transfer the batter to a 4-inch round cake pan and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. And I'll recommend checking in on it after 30 minutes just to make sure. For the frosting, take 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, both at room temperature. Mine wasn't at room temperature and I'm impatient, so I just microwaved it for 20 seconds. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. I added the powdered sugar in increments of 1/4 cups just to make sure there are no lumps. After the frosting is done, it'll look something like that. Now add in a pinch of salt and mix it really well. Okay, so I cut my cake in a square shape, but the frosting that I made is enough for the whole 4-inch round cake. So this is optional. But then I took a round tip, I'll link everything in the description, and started piping little dollops on the cake. After piping the frosting on top, I just placed a few rosemary leaves just to add a pop of color, and the cake is ready.